So are you wondering what the view from an ocean view villa here looks like at Marriott's Oceana Palms in Riviera Beach, Florida? Well, I'm going to show you our balcony and our view coming right up. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we get started taking a look at our balcony and our view here from our ocean view villa at Marriott's Oceana Palms, I just want to let you know on this channel I like to share some of my best tips, strategies, and advice on how to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that sounds like what you're looking for, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell also so you don't miss out on a single video. So let's get started. We're going to head outside here, take a look at our balcony and our view. Let's go. Okay, so let's head outside. They have a huge, heavy patio door, balcony door, but it opens way up. So there's a huge opening, so you can actually just sit in here. You have it open and listen to those waves. But yeah, it's a beautiful wide patio door, and it's actually not real heavy. Even as big as it is, it's easy to open and close. So that is a wonderful thing. But here is our balcony from the 19th floor south-facing villa at Marriott's Oceana Palms. The Marriott Ocean Resort's under construction next door to us, and if you want to see a video to that, check out that info card in the upper right. But yeah, from these ocean view villas, we have a beautiful view of the intra-coastal waterway over there, and some really nice big boats out there. But yeah, so a nice view there, and then a nice view out there to the Atlantic Ocean as well. And you can see the balcony here, nice tile floor, 4 tables and a chair, and it does have an overhang. And actually the 19th floor here, they do have 20 levels in this tower, and this is actually probably the highest level I would actually choose to be on, because if we go out here we can see the 20th level up here. You can see that there's actually no coverings to those balconies up there, so that is a bit of a disadvantage. If you want nice shade on your balcony, you want to be out and on the 19th floor or below. Otherwise you're pretty much in the sun. When the sun's out, you're going to be in the sun, and it could be pretty hot during the day up there on the 20th floor. So it's nice to be under cover here, and if it's raining, well, you're not going to be up there at all. And down here, well, at least depending on the direction of the wind, you probably, well, maybe won't get wet. But yeah, another small chair and a small table over here. This here goes into the master bedroom. Well, it doesn't go into the master bedroom, but that's a window into the master bedroom. So if you're in there, you can actually see out here onto the patio or onto the balcony. And then there's that big patio door as well. And around the end here, if you're in the living room, this goes into the living room area. There's also a window right here that would have a nice view out there to the ocean. So a great view and a great balcony. These are some of the best balconies in the Marriott timeshare system, so you really can't go wrong with these balconies. And in a couple of weeks, hopefully we'll be seeing another balcony that's maybe even better. I need to do a video of the best balconies in the Marriott timeshare system. That would be a good video. But anyway, there it is. Great view here. Nice view of the construction next door too. But yeah, a pretty good view of the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so there you have it, our view and our balcony here at Marriott's Oceana Palms from an ocean view villa. What do you think of these great ocean views here? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos like it and about timeshare, check out the What to Watch Next section in the description box below. And for another video about Marriott's Oceana Palms, check this one out right up here. And YouTube, they think you'll like this one down here. Don't forget to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.